Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong elam galyang persya kaseng Kongres ubalong ru MLA na Melim constituency uba Roni V Lingdo. Habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentaka sengi ke kat kendai terik ukela lingkot arajar arpusau ha office terekam jong kaseng ulaong meminta ke council kerasna ya ke delimitation committee ke balong ru kaseng ni ke benta jong ke autonomous bat ladaki laban pendep ya ke kam ke syong patah ke sarkar jelaban menjur ya ke rai ke bakin shim la an pensange swashipor ya ke election ni yat syakman but wat ke ying kasyari ru hadin ke jing ujor ke bala ujor da ki breu na kaliang ke ying bisar kala pentip bakam la ban tuklar ya ke ni ke kam ha ke bedei bat ke election MDC uba roni ulo ong ru ba kala don palat life host nem na do bala yo ya ke delimitation hapo ki constituencies jong ke council but ki don ru ki constituencies ki bedon tang shi po hado khat ar hajar ngut ki nong tap vote kat bagi don pat ki constituencies ki bedon palat san po hajar ngut ki nong tap vote but yakini don kamban penyesok no kawai khnang makan long ke jing mentoy namar kin don ki kem lada jaba mi ki kenram MDC un menjur kat ba MLA pat un menjur kumta ha ke bedei bat kani kan bhashibun lada ki jo ki constituency ha ke election MLA bat MDC kin senrop lang ha ki than nong kendong lat no kanong ba shlong shisho ba roni ula airu ke Ïaroh ya ke EC jong ba Pynïaid sing CEM ke EDC daga ba ong badang ki kindiat benai CEM lo perkhat bon sen ke bentaban donno daga delimitation committee ha ke bedei bat ke pentrekam ya ke kharnet ke bahan reu badula penparu ke Ïaroh ya ke isi ke babenta jong ke council ke baperkan ban donno da ke ni ke komiti ban uba roni ulo ong badai man kenno ya ke isi ke Barim ke bahapo ke Ïaroh jong ba Titos well khan CEM Barim jong ke council namar kila don por hado licenem Henry ki klem perkat AA Shapang kani.
You see, now they've set up a delimitation committee and I believe that is also an autonomous body. Let us see if they complete their work, then it's up to the state government. But the decision they come up with, whether to hold elections or not. But then the delimitation committee, even the court, I believe somebody has submitted a writ petition. Even the court said we cannot interfere in this election process. And for your information, I think it's been more than 30 years since we had a delimitation in the district council constituencies. And just like to share, there are some constituencies, just about 10,000-12,000 voters. There are some constituencies about 50,000. Don't you think these have got to be, realigned so that it's not a question of only, schemes. It's a question, for example, now, I'll just give you an example. Suppose now a village, in the MLA constituency, it falls another constituency, and in the MDC constituency, it falls in another constituency. Suppose now there are issues to do with traditional laws. Well, don't you think they'll come to conflict? The MLA may agree, the MDC may not agree, or the MDC may agree, the MLA may not agree. But then, if it so happens that we can come up more or less that we have 29 MLA constituencies, 29 MDC constituencies, except maybe in Shillong City. In the rural constituencies, you can come up with the same constituency for both MLA and MDC. In that way, there will be no conflict. So I should appreciate the EC of Pynïaid in this matter of few months. He's thought it wise, to have a delimitation committee to ensure that regarding implementation of the 6th schedule is really done in letter and spirit. I would express my appreciation to the present EC who thought it wise to have the delimitation. Unless you do it now, you'll have to do it someday. So why not do it now? So we should blame the previous EC. Why didn't they? Because I think they had about 3 years or 4 years. Why didn't they think about it then?